Hey everyone! Today, we are going to explore how ChatGPT can help you create PowerPoint slides and how to change fonts across all your slides in just a few clicks. Let's jump right in. First, let's use ChatGPT to generate slide content. Simply ask, create a PowerPoint presentation on your topic with 5 slides. ChatGPT will provide you with an outline and content for each slide. The file will download so you can open it in PowerPoint. You can now further customize the design and layout to match your style. Now let's change the font across all slides. Go to the View tab and click on Slide Master. In the Slide Master view, select the master slide or layout you want to modify. Then, highlight the text you want to change, go to the Home tab, and select your desired font. Once done, click Close Master View. All slides using that layout will now have the updated font. And that's it. You've learned how to create PowerPoint slides with ChatGPT and change fonts across all slides. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips. See you next time.